Hey, good evening from Scott Duckworth, and I'm not sure how well you can see it on the camera here, but I've got a pretty ugly dent in my Dodge Ram. So just something I did stupid. We'll just leave it at that. So I've seen all these things about paintless dent repair and using airbags that you pump up. I guess kind of like what you would do if you're getting your blood pressure checked, to see if we can squeeze this out. I've already taken the screws out of this. Just so I don't waste. Nobody wants to see somebody unscrew screws. So let's get straight to the point. Bought this from, and I haven't tried it yet, so this is just, we're gonna put it out there. It's called the Winbag Max. Bought it at Home Depot, 42 bucks. And I got my idea off of YouTube. I would much rather try it myself than take it somewhere and it costs several $1,000s to fix this dent. So what I've done, I've taken the rear taillight lens off, and hey, this is trial and error, there's no practice. I see an area where I can slide this in there. Now keep in mind, it's probably not gonna work. I just wanna see if it'll work a little bit. I'm not gonna do the whole thing or try to bust it out on this video because I've gotta have something behind it. We don't wanna just push metal out on the other side. So let's give this a try. We're gonna take the bulb and we're gonna start pumping. Nothing yet. Let's check on things here. Yeah, oh. Okay, the airbag is filling. If it'll work a little bit, I can at least get it started. So far, nothing. Uh-oh, did you hear that? It's coming out. Hey, that's crazy. Okay. Look at that. This is crazy. All right. It came out, I'm gonna say 3/4 of an inch. All right, I'm gonna stop right there because I don't know what's on the other side. So yes, it actually brought some out. Not sure if you can see it on the video or not. I'm gonna do a part 2 on this because I really wasn't prepared or practiced or anything like that. But hey, some of the dent definitely jumped out. I'm surprised. I'll do a part 2 on this. If you like what you've seen so far, like or subscribe to the channel. It's all about saving money. If I can get most of these dents out, I can fill this in and probably paint it myself. I'm not a car painter, I'm not a mechanic, but I've done some good things and saved myself thousands of dollars, and I want to pass my information on to you. Thank you for viewing. Let's see what happens.